This video is about the combustion of hydrocarbons, complete or incomplete, and the effects of their products. So first of all, complete combustion of hydrocarbon is your Bunsen burner with the open air hole. That produces a roaring flame. It's a blue flame. It's extremely hot because we're getting an efficient burning of the fuel. And when you oxidize hydrocarbons like that, you get hydrogen oxide, water, and carbon dioxide, which, although it's associated with global warming, is a non-toxic clean gas. So hydrocarbon plus oxygen makes carbon dioxide and water, fine. But when you close the air hole, there's not enough oxygen to combine with the gas, with the natural gas. And so the products then don't just become carbon dioxide, but you get carbon monoxide and pure carbon. So the problems with those, well, let's start with carbon in the form of soot, some airborne particulates. They can cause respiratory problems, they can get into people's lungs, they can cause buildings to get sort of dirty and unpleasant. It's just generally not very nice, and it can cause things like global dimming in the atmosphere. On the other hand, carbon monoxide is colourless and odourless and very hard to detect, but it can kill people. The way it does that is it bonds with your red blood cells in a way that's similar to oxygen, but it won't debond with them and break apart. So it occupies your red blood cells, reduces your capacity to breathe in and take on oxygen, and it can cause asphyxia and death quite quickly. So we have to be very careful of carbon monoxide. Make sure you have your appliances checked, have a carbon monoxide alarm in the home, but these are products of incomplete combustion. If you can make sure your appliances burn cleanly, then you reduce the risk. Thanks very much.